Did you guys have any questions about some of the kombucha?
Do you use dried fruit or you use fresh fruit?
I use both. So when fresh fruit is in season, I'll use, like right now we got strawberries, blueberries, and we'll see some of that in the bottling.
Okay.
But in the winter, when there aren't strawberries available, I'll use organic strawberry preserves and just any kind of organic jams. For the cran raspberry, those are dried cranberries, so those are also available year round. The ginger, I always use fresh because that's available all the time. And you get the health benefits of the different things that you put in there. Those are also passed on to you in the final product.
Once you bottle it, can you refrigerate it?
Yes, I generally bottle it for about a week just to let the flavors soak in, and then from there I move it into the fridge, because even though they're in the bottles, they're still continuing to ferment. And so when you put it in the fridge, that slows the fermentation process down, but it doesn't stop it completely. An important thing to remember with the bottles, especially if you're going to have them on hand for a long time, is to burp them. Because it is naturally carbonated, that carbonation will continue to create pressure. And to avoid the bottles from exploding, which has never happened in my experience, I drink it too fast, you may want to just burp the bottles, and you'll find sometimes when you go to drink it that it'll fizz up, and it'll be almost like champagne sometimes, and it'll just be really fizzy. I think that tastes good. But I have personally noticed an increase in my metabolism. You know, women, especially in the winter, the circulation isn't working so well in our extremities. Hands and feet will be really cold. And I've noticed, and my boyfriend has commented, that after drinking kombucha, I'm so warm. He's like, "You're 1,000 degrees, get away from me, too hot." But I do find that it has helped the circulation in my extremities, so I'm not like cold, clammy feet, especially in the winter.